Not the best knife, but that's okay. Should say not the sharpest, I suppose. But it's still okay. I'm just feeding me. It all works out. A little sharper down into here than it is near the tip. So kind of. I'm sure my skills show that I never was a chef of any sort. If anyone wants to send me a nice new set of knives that'll make me a master chef or something like that, feel free. The good thing about a nice dull knife, it's a lot harder to cut yourself. When you cut the wrong direction in towards you, it's better to do that with a dull knife. That's good enough for me. Questionable avocado. Should have used these a few days ago, but I've been lazy. Got a few more. May have to pick through. Yeah, there's some questionable spots in there. We will sort through those a little later. Just because I don't like eating bugs, let's cover that for now. That didn't hold up well. Not a big fan of this spatula I picked up. Really flexible. Not good for the chopping implement. I'm not sure. I don't think this pan is seasoned very well either. I'll work on all that when someone pays me to be a chef. Until then, I will chop my way through food. As long as I don't know that I'm eating junk, I won't care. Figuring this will either work or I'll dig a hole and bury the pan and send it back to Middle Earth where it came from. I'm gonna let that sit over there and let the cheese melt. Anybody want to come wash this pan out for me? Let me get something in there. I'll try to season it again sometime, or just go to the store and buy a new seasoned one. The avocado's seen better days. It's been warm. It's ripened up quicker than I anticipated. Probably should have done this yesterday, a day or two ago. We're not going to eat that one. There's nothing wrong with it, but we're not going to eat it. There's my 100-calorie dinner. I swear I counted them all. Cooked over the campfire. Yuck. Not a big fan of dishes, but I'm going to eat this. Bye. Sometimes I'm not very smart. Sometimes I get forgetful and forget things. Very, very important things. Not just a tiny little bit of sour cream. There we go. I figure that probably adds about 10 calories. So we'll call that a 110 calorie dinner. And Weight Watchers, eat your heart out. What? No, don't even look at me like that. You wouldn't even do the dishes. You know? No, you're going to have to make your own. I'm sorry. Sorry. No.